Africa is home to some of the most powerful healing plants on the planet. And for centuries, traditional healers have used them to treat diseases that still challenge modern medicine today. Welcome to AfroHerb Lab TV. Here are 5 African herbs that cure common diseases and how you can use them. At number 5, we have Moringa, known as the Tree of Life. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, calcium, and protein. Studies show it fights inflammation, lowers blood sugar, and boosts liver health. How to use it? Add 1 teaspoon of Moringa powder to warm water or a smoothie every morning and experience excellent boost for overall nutrition. At number 4, bitter leaf, called Iwuro in Yoruba, has been used across West and Central Africa to treat malaria, typhoid, and diabetes. Scientists have confirmed it contains compounds with strong anti-malarial and anti-diabetic properties. How to use it? Squeeze fresh bitter leaves to extract the juice. Drink half a cup twice a day to fight fever or regulate blood sugar. At number 3, grains of paradise, also called alligator pepper, is a West African spice proven to reduce inflammation, burn fat, and lower blood pressure. It's commonly used to treat stomach pain and joint problems. How to use it? Crush a small handful of seeds. Boil in water for 10 minutes, strain, and drink as tea.
At number 2, the scent leaf, known as efirin in Nigeria, contains powerful oils that kill bacteria, fungi, and viruses. It's widely used to treat cold and flu, stomach ulcers, and skin infections. How to use it? Boil a handful of fresh scent leaves in 2 cups of water for 15 minutes. Strain and drink twice a day. Our number 1 is African Mistletoe, one of the most powerful and underrated plants in traditional African medicine. Research has shown it can lower blood pressure, fight tumors, boost immunity, and treat diabetes. In southern Nigeria, it's boiled with other herbs into a tonic specifically for hypertension and blood sugar control. How to use it? Boil a small handful of leaves for 20 minutes and drink a small cup once a day. But always consult a healer or doctor first due to its potency. 5 herbs, thousands of years of healing wisdom, now backed by science. Moringa for energy and blood sugar. Bitter leaf for malaria and infections. Grains of paradise for inflammation. Scent leaf for bacteria and flu. And African mistletoe for hypertension and diabetes. If this video opened your eyes, hit the like and subscribe. Every week, we uncover more of Africa's healing secrets. See you in the next one.